Alright, so we're going to do a little demo here on how to in-between. So what I'm going to start with is just using a blue color for waves. I'm going to do this using waves. And I'm going to use my onion skin tool. And one of the things you can actually do first is draw like sort of a reference line. Go ahead and lock that. And then actually on my reference line I'm going to change color to gray. And here I'll just call these waves. I'm going to lock my reference line, change this color to blue. So I'm going to start by just doing one over here, and depending on the speed you could even go directly here, all depends. And what I'm going to do is bring that down like so. So I'm going to have it just wave in and out like so. Press F7. I'm going to create my onion skin, and obviously I need to insert frame here as well. So I have my reference line, and here I'm going to just do the exact opposite. And although this is sort of a kind of a cheesy way to do waves, it's really effective. So to teach you how to in-between. So what you're trying to do is somewhere around here, between 1 and on frame 5, this is frame 10, so on frame 5 here, I'm going to just follow my reference line here, and I'm going to have it sort of go out into this blue line, this straight line. So it's going to level off at some point. So basically these waves are going to become smaller, and the dips are going to become smaller as well. Now, given this is a pose-to-pose style, and I'm going to go ahead and bring this back. I may or may not need the frames in there, the amount of frames I did. Something like that. And now I play it back. It's a little fast, but that's okay. Now, going here, press F7. I only want to be able to see the previous frame and my very next frame. And I'm going to start animating into this. And I'm going to start by just sort of slowly going like so. F7. F7. Okay, F7. And almost done here. Okay. And I'm going to turn off the onion skin tool. And I'm going to play this back. And I'm going to set my reference line as a guide. Play it back. And it's only playing for 25, or for 20, or for 10 frames, excuse me. And then on the 10th frame, it skips back to here. So in order to easily flip this back, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to just create an animation, just reversing frames. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy frames, and on frame 11 I'm going to paste frames, and then from 20 to 11 I'm going to right click and I'm going to reverse frames, and I'm going to delete frame 11, and now for 19 frames anyway, I've got a looping animation of these little waves. Now they just sort of do opposites of one another, but the point of it is to actually do the in-betweens from pose to pose. So it's a really, really simple, basic sort of water waving animation, and you can combine this with a whole bunch of other stuff. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next time.